the public, the people, the mankind, the living creatures, the planet, and everything is being cared for. Everything is being cared for by God Himself, since He is the creator of the universe, the creator of the planet, the creator of the mankind, the creator of this earth. So that is why God comes to each and everybody at night to pet him or to pet her. That is why the poet says, God wraps the earth with the darkness and whispered to mankind that the night has come. You enjoy. Night is the time for rest. Night is the time for rest. Day is the time for duty. Night is the time for rest. Day is the time to do work. So since night has come, the people sleep. So by the time the gods or the gods angels come and pat them to give them sound sleep. To give them sound sleep. And they see whether the man is fully under his care or not. The man is fully obeying the law of life or not. The man is fully enjoying obeying the law of life. So life is to be lived. Dear students, we have to know that life is to be lived in a proper way. So life is to be lived in a proper way. So we have to obey the rules of life. The rules of life, the norms of life, which are very important. And when you will never obey, when you do not obey the rules of life, your life will be disrupted. The living will be disrupted. The way of life will be disrupted. And there will be disruption in the way of life, you mark. Disruption in the way of life. Number one, I want to say that modern civilization is full of hollowness. In modern civilization we mark sterility. We mark spiritual barrenness. And in almost all poems of W. B. Yeats, though he is a romantic poet in modern days, but in almost all poems, I do want to say, poems we find the sterility, the barrenness, spiritual sterility. But here, the poem is having a different taste. The poem is having a different taste, you do mark. Dear students, it is having a different taste. And somebody is there to look after the earth. So, W. B. Yeats has a robust faith. He has a robust faith in God. He believes in God. He has a robust faith in God. That somebody is there to take care of, to look after. And God comes in the form of others. God comes in the form of different angels. God comes in the forms of different angels, bishops, priests, and they are the God man. You to mark, they are all God men. And they come from the world of heaven to see whether the planet is in order or the people are in order. Everything is looked after, watched by the Creator. And He is man. Creator and His man. Bishop is His man. The priest is His man. So, there are other things there. I have told you, in the last video I have already told you, the poem may be allegorical. The poem may be allegorical since it has a moral lesson. Since it has a moral lesson, it is allegorical and a typical poem. You mark. This is an atypical, A-T-Y-P-I-C-A-L, atypical. A-T-Y-P-I-C-A-L. This is an atypical poem. And in the first stanza, flock, shepherd, green swords are the metaphors. They are the two metaphors. Flock, green swords, And when a flock of sheep, people are the flock of sheep, and Father Gilligan is a shepherd. And in the second part, we find a compound word that is a mothavar. That is a mothavar. God's omnipresence. God's omnipresence and a grace, you mark. God's omnipresence and a grace in the lives of the faithful. God's omnipresence and a grace in the life of the faithful are always marked. So in a good soul, God resides. In a good soul, God resides. In a priest, God resides. In a bishop, God resides. In a good soul, God resides. Though truth comes later, truth will triumph later. Truth will triumph later. Falsehood will reign. Falsehood will reign first. And it will be defeated by truth. And truth will triumph later on. But truth has value. I have told you, truth is beauty, beauty is truth, truth is God. And God always dwells therein, human beings, therein the good souls. Priest is a good soul, bishop is a good soul, churchman is a good soul. And God dwells there. And He serves the people, provides the service for the people being tired. And but one day, or one evening, he has already given the instance or given the example. What happened in that evening? Thank you all today. And in the next class, I will give you the third video. Thank you all.